Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Each month I do unboxing of my Glossybox. So we have received the September's Glossybox and these are all the products we have received this month. As usual, we do have the digital copy of the magazine with the QR code here, so I'm just going to scan this. As usual, we have the note from the editor, the story behind the box and the list of all the products we will receive. And then it gives us some articles on home spa and some products and then some scents. Also gives us some self-care tips and then it goes on to tell us that the advent calendar is almost here. The note from the editor states, "Hello Glossies, we've curated a love letter to your senses this September with our newest edit, September Senses. With 5 products aimed to aid relaxation and tranquility, this box will help you feel renewed from the summer months, ready to thrive for your autumn plans." In this digital magazine, we also bring you a number of self-care tips, including how to turn your bathroom into a home spa and ways to elevate your senses and indulge in beauty. Love, Team Glossy. And then it goes on to tell us the story behind the box, which states, September Senses. September is that time to have a brief pause before channeling your energy into settling those last-minute goals and enjoying your plans in the colder months. Take some time this month for you and your senses with our September Senses box. But with products for your everyday relaxing need, this box has brands such as Aveeno and The Balm to help you enhance your self-care habits this September. Then it also states if you want to find out more about the theme, they have a blog on this on their website. But let's go on to unboxing the products and see what we have received this month. The first product we have received is the Aveeno Daily Moisturising Body Lotion, which is worth £4. So Aveeno is popular for people with sensitive skin because it is a really good moisturiser for sensitive skin, and this moisturiser contains oat, which will help us keep nourished. So let's just smell it up. Yeah, it smells like standard Aveeno with oat in. So I'm just going to take a dollop here and I'm just going to moisturise. It does leave a lingering oat smell, but it's not too heavy. So on the back of here it says it's unscented and it's designed to nourish and help prevent dry skin, and it's clinically proven to leave hydration for 48 hours. I mean, it's non-greasy, fast absorbing, hyperallergenic and vegan formula. It is definitely fast absorbing and it isn't greasy. The next product we have is the Daily Concepts Body Scrubber, which is worth £16. This is a daily scrubber. It has a loop at the back so we can put a finger in and scrub as necessary. It is made from 100% silicone and it is quite a decent large size to scrub your body with. I mean, you use it as like a normal scrubber, so you put on your shower gel and then you kind of scrub your body with this in a circular motion like so. I've never really used one of these on my body, but I've definitely used them on my face, so it'll be interesting to see how much it actually scrubs and cleanses my skin. Then we have the Grace and Stella Rose Spray, which is worth £16. This is a hydrating rose spray for the face. It is great for all skin types and all skin conditions. Whether your skin's oily or dry skin, rose is great for your skin. It helps with inflammation and it also helps with acne. So I'm just going to spray it to see the scent. That rose smells like heaven. I'm just going to spray some on my face. And I may have saturated my face a little bit too much, so I'm just going to blot it a bit away. It has cooled my face down, which is great because I am dying in this humidity and heat. On the back it actually gives us directions and it states mist 4 to 5 sprays onto the face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Reapply it as needed throughout the day. I mean, I have got it on my face now and I've noticed that it hasn't separated any of my makeup. Just double checking, but yeah, let's just see how it lasts throughout the day, whether it separates it or not. Next product is the Balm Lip and Cheek Tint, which is worth £6.64. On the packaging it says staining, a hint of tint for lips and cheeks. Now I already have one, so I'm just going to swatch the ones that I've already got open. So this is the colour it comes, so it's like a natural rosy reddish pink. Now I have used this before and it gives a nice natural rosy glow to the cheeks and lips. I mean, it's completely dried out and this is how it comes. So it's a great addition when you just don't want to wear a lot of makeup. The next product is a mystery product. I have received the Polar Eternal Snow Cream, which is worth £19. Just realised I've got a misprint here. It's printed half of it, but that's fine. I mean, it's only a moisturiser. This snow cream I've used before. It's a beautiful thick moisturiser and it does keep your face moisturised, especially in the colder months when you need a lot more hydration in the skin. I mean, I don't know what else I can say about this other than I really like the product. If you haven't tried it, give it a go. Now this brings me to the end of my unboxing. Now on the Glossybox website it states that this month's box is worth over £59. Now I've looked at all the products I've received and recalculated this and I come to a sum of £61.64. So the box is worth over £59 this month. Some of the products I have received this month I've received previously and I've tried them out, and to be fair they are quite good products and I would recommend them. But if there is any other products that you would like a further review on, then please let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Take care for now and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!